Hello students, this is the second part. We are going to start from irrigation. Irrigation means water of crops. Water for crops, water of crops. It means crops needs different crops means different amount of water for their growth. Providing water to the plant is known as irrigation. In that there are different types of crops which need different amount of water for their production, for their proper production. Like you can say, you can take the example of rice is a kharif crop, and we can the cultivation of rice should be in the month of June to November. It means it can grow in high rainfall, or it needs more amount of water to grow. Similarly, wheat needs small amount of water as compared to rice for their growth. So it is so wheat is cultivated in wheat are cultivated in summer month. So these are the things that different types of crops need different amounts of water. Source of irrigation, there are different types, different source of irrigation are there. There are dams, we can build dam. Rainfall, natural, traditional you can say, or tube wells. There are different source of irrigation. This source has been divided into two types, traditional and modern techniques. You can modern techniques में हम रख सकते हैं डैम्स, ट्यूबवेल्स, टूलू पम्प्स, हैंड पंप, पाइपलाइन जो हम लोग रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हैं, वेल्स, ट्यूबवेल्स एक्सेट्रा. और ट्रेडिशनल में यू कैन से रेनफॉल. मैनी फार्मर्स wait for the rainfall for the better management of their crop. Now there are the different methods of irrigation: furrow irrigation, basin irrigation, surface irrigation. These are the different methods of irrigation. Now sprinkle irrigation is often used for the land in uneven and thus not suitable for the surface irrigation. Sprinkle irrigation means you can sprinkle the water in the crop for those plant which needs a small amount of water for their growth. Spraying of water, you can simply say, that is called as sprinkle irrigation. Now weeding and crop protection. Fourth point is weeding and crop protection. How we protect our crop? Weeding means that unwanted plants which are grown with the crop. The unwanted plants which are grown with the crop, that are called as weeds, which the farmers or the people have no need, no use, that are called as weeds, which can be removed by plugging, hand plugging, or by using weedicides, chemical weedicides. Or crop protection. Crop protection means protection of crops with unwanted plants. These types of unwanted plants, these are the unwanted plants like Argimina, Pickery poppy, Oxalis, wood scroll, Sandopium, Bhatua. These are the unwanted plants which are grown with the crop. And this controlling of pest and disease. There are different types of pesticides, insecticides are used in the crop field to control the pest and disease, to protect the crop by this pest and insects. This is called as crop protection. Now harvesting and storage. The process of cutting and gathering a crop is called harvesting. The process of harvesting means simple process of cutting and gathering the crop. We are going when the crops become ready, mature, we use different types of techniques to cut the crops and get it harvested. The traditional implement to use the harvest a crop is the stickle. Modern farmer use harvester. Traditional is we are cut the crops with the hand, or nowadays farmers are using modern techniques called harvester. Now last one is storage. After harvesting the crop, we have the proper management of storage of crops. Grain storage, different types of management should be there for the storage of crops for the further use. Fruits and vegetables can be stored into cold places, that is called as cold storage. So there must be different kinds or proper management of crop storage should be there. So this is the agriculture practice. First one is soil preparation, second one is sowing of seeds, irrigation, weeding and crop protection, and harvesting and storage. Now increasing crop yield. It means what are the techniques we can use to increase the crop production. There are two types of method, mixed cultivation and crop rotation should be there. Mixed cultivation and crop rotation. Mixed cultivation means two or more crops are grown in the different crops are grown in a field at a particular field at a same time. This is called mixed cultivation. Two or more crops. For example, a leguminous plants can be grown with wheat. So the leguminous plant depends upon wheat for their nutrition. So they both can depend upon their nutrition. This is called as mixed cultivation. With wheat we can also get the leguminous plants like pea, moong, chana, etc. Second one is crop rotation. Crop rotation means growing two or more crops in the same field one after other. Growing of two crops in a same field one after अदर, एक के बाद एक, पहले एक को ग्रोन किया, सेकेंड फिर उसको ग्रोन किया. ऐसा क्यों? दिस इज बिकॉज we can take the example of wheat and paddy use lots of nitrogen for their production, for their growth. So after that we can grow any leguminous plants which need less amount of nitrogen and which conserved nitrogen in their roots. How? I will explain you later. This is called as crop rotation. सो जो मैनेजमेंट है नाइट्रोजन का कि वीट और पैडी को नाइट्रोजन की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, सेम एज इट इज़ उसी जगह पे जब हम लोग दूसरी क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर रहे हैं जैसे कि लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट, उनको कम ज़रूरत पड़ती है और वो नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स करके रखते हैं. तो सेम एज इट इज़ ये रोटेशन ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. तो नाइट्रोजन का जो अमाउंट है सॉइल में वो प्रॉपर बैलेंस्ड हो जाएगा. सो वी यूज़ क्रॉप रोटेशन.